So hello guys, my name is Sandev Viskarma and today we are going to learn about some data structure question that is come in the Capgemini assessment test, and now we are going to solve some MCQ based on data structure and algorithm, and it may be come in upcoming Capgemini database questions. Sorry, Capgemini technical assessment. So our first question is that consider an array. We have given an array in which element are 2, 4, 61, 17, 8, and 10, 13, and as soon, and key element equals 88. How many comparison will it take to find the key element in array using linear search algorithm? So before solving question, we have to learn about searching algorithm. So we have only two searching algorithm. First is linear search and second is binary search. So in the question we have to apply linear search algorithm. In the linear search algorithm we just search linear in linear manner. Suppose we have to search 2, so if we just go through the first element, that is 2, so we can say that our key is fine. And in the question we have to search for 88, so we just go through first element, it's not equal to, and second element it's not, so we can say that in the array there is no 88. So we can say how many comparison it will take, so we can say it's a size of, and we can say number of element. So here number of element are 10, so we can say it will take 10 comparison. So we can also see answer. So the answer is D, that is 10. And we just go through the second question. The second question is that which of the following is the correct first order traversal of the given rooted tree? So tree is basically data structure in which data are stored in hierarchical order. So there are three traversal techniques of the tree. First is pre-order, second is in order, and third is post order. So in the question we have to traverse post orderly. So first in the post order, first we let take as a left, and second right, and third is as a root. So in which we just go through first left. So a, what is the left of a? B. So what is the left of D? D. And what is the left of D? F. So we just first go through the F and then right. So what is the right of F से D and D से G? So the F or G or then root D. So F G D, and then we go through left right, right knees, and then B. So V. So we can say our C can be the answer, and then also we can check. So the answer is V. F G D B, F G D B, and then root left. We don't have any left, so then we just go to the right. So the right, right, right. So the answer will be B. And the third question is that convert the following infix expression into prefix expression. So we solve through the stack data structure. So to convert infix expression into prefix expression, in the prefix expression we just first take our operator like plus, minus, multiply, divide, and then second our first operator operand, and then second operand. So here we solve first this section, and then this section, or then apply multiply. So first a plus b. So what will be the answer for that? So plus ab. The plus ab here, sorry, prefix operation. So plus ab first will come, and then solve c plus d. So plus cd here will come. So and plus ab, and multiply plus cd. So what will be the answer for that? Our operator will first come. So multiply plus ab, then plus cd. So what will be our answer? So the answer c will there. So C is our correct answer. And the fourth question is that evaluate the first expression, and here the given expression is that, and we have to evaluate them. So we just evaluate by the stack data structure. So where we just go through the, in the stack we just add 6, then 5, then 2, then 3. Whenever we will get a operator, then we take two element from the stack, 2 or 3. 2 3 will be 5, then 5 in our stack what will be 6 5 5, then we take a 8. Okay, then operator, so then I 5 or 8 will take from the stack and then multiply 5 into 4 40, that will 40, and then we will refill into the stack. So our in the stack what will be the 6 5 40, then plus, then again it is operator, then we will take two element 40 and 5. 40 plus 5, what will be 45, then we will again refill into the stack. So in the stack 6 and 45 will, and then 3 3, so then 3 taken to the stack, and then plus, so plus 45 and 3 will take and operate and apply plus. So what will the answer 48, then push into the stack, then multiply, so 6 and 45 48, sorry, 48 will take from the stack, and then apply multiply. So 48 into 6, 6 into 48, what will be the, so we can say 40 30 to 8 will be the answer. Here fifth question is that in an empty binary search tree, insert the following element in a similar sequence. Which element will be the at lowest level? When we apply binary search tree in this given data, then there which element will add the lowest level, means in the leaf node. The first x of 105 will come as a root node, then 95 is less than, then it will come in left side, then 122 it will come right hand side, then 99 it will come a left side of 105 and right side of 195 and 95, sorry, then 97 and 120, so that 97 will be the answer. So here are the some important question that will come, and that may be come in the Capgemini technical round. So we will again solve some question in further video. So thank you for that.